welcome back. We are making chicken pizza crust, and I know that sounds really very strange, but it is absolutely out of this world. You only need 3 ingredients, and if you want to put like Italian seasoning in it or something like that, then you can do that also. So I'm gonna get my Italian seasoning. Hold on. I just cooked the chicken, and the chicken is by Wild Planet. Oh, the water came out. Okay, Wild Planet, organic chicken, no additives, nothing. It's canned chicken. I used 2 of these. That is the best. And I just put it out on a piece of parchment and put it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes just to dry it out so it's really, really dry. Okay? Then we are going to put this in a bowl with 1 egg and about 1 to 2 ounces of grated cheese. This is all you need for this recipe. This is it, the end. Amazing, right? Okay, put it in there. We're gonna use this afterwards for to bake it. And here I'm gonna use Mrs. Dash, no salt added, and put some Italian seasoning in here. This is my Parmesan that I used, and just, you know, a regular egg. So now, that's a hot pan over there. Now I'm just gonna mix all of this with the egg up, squish it a little bit. And it does look, you know, it's gonna look lumpy a little bit, and, you know, I'm gonna put it on the parchment and we're going to roll it out. And when we roll it out, that's when it's gonna stick all together. I am gonna put the oven up. I have to jump the oven up from 350 to 500. And so that comes out nice and crispy. And this one does come out crispy. I tried it with regular chicken, ground chicken, and ground turkey. It did not come out right. It comes out a little bit soggy. This is the best way to get your pizza crust to be a little crunchy. So I'm going to put it here on this parchment paper. I'm going to move it over in a minute so you can see it. Here it is. We're going to squish it kind of together. Okay. Put another piece over it. And then we're going to end up putting it right back on this pan and cooking it. So if you do not have a rolling pin, I'm waiting for my rolling pin, you can use a large cylinder of any kind you want. But I do have a pastry one that works just as well. It's pretty hard. I might make 2 of these instead of one big one. I'm gonna cut this down the middle. Yep. So let's see what this looks like. Alright, so now we're just going to squish it together a little bit. I don't want to have any holes. You know what? Take a few pieces from the side. I actually am going to, I think I did it a little too thin. And then you have to make your edges, right? I think I'm gonna put a little more cheese on this. So that was 2 cans, right, of 5 ounces of chicken. Gotta get little edges here. Add a little bit more. Huh. Oh God, the cheese won't open. Oh, I'll fix it afterwards. And then it's gonna go into the oven for about 15-20 minutes, and I'm gonna turn you off, but this is it. This is really it. This is all you have to do. Pop it in, and I will show you when it's done.